they're not going to be completely successful kasi parang hindi nila na-process yung pagtanggap ng mga tao dun sa Duterte brand of leadership. It becomes almost ideological. Yung mga tao, they started speaking up about policy making, actively discussing public issues, which is something that is very difficult to replicate. Kung kunwari, magkukuha ka lang ng service from 5,000 trolls so that they are going to repeat piatos, 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 or Fiona, Fiona. That cannot transcend to real public discourse eh. Ang success lang kasi nung ganon, hanggang impression. But if there is a relentless public discourse on the other hand, talking about issues reasonably, ito yung mas nag-e-echo, ito yung mas tumatagal, ito yung mas makikita ng tao na mas authentic na engagement. Therefore, they will listen to this side of cyberspace rather than do sa paulit-ulit na piatos, 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 Fiona, Fiona, Fiona. And for me, do sa whole ordeal ng mga Pilipino, ito yung, dito tayo nananalo sa side na to. Kaya nga, importante dapat talaga hindi tayo tumitigil eh. Kasi itong side na to ng cyberspace, na kung saan meron talagang public discourse, meron talagang usapan, meron talagang mga engagement, at hinihimay, inuuri yung mga kaganapan. Mahirap siyang i-replicate eh, yung ganong klaseng authentic behavior, kahit pag gaano karaming pera yung meron ka.